Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we talked about the importance of the security fixes, but Microsoft Edge is also updated to version 1.05 as of today, September 2nd. So this is the latest version that is now available for everybody. And the next version, 106, will be released in the week of September the 29th, so at the end of the month, roughly. What's new in Microsoft Edge 1.05? Nothing much. There's improved Internet Explorer IE mode, which also adds enhanced security. There's also enhanced security mode support for WebAssembly, stuff like that. There are some admin stuff, and there's new policies or change policies like printing PDF as an image default trigger that you can actually have, stuff like that. There's a lot of the policies that are changed within the Edge browser at every version. No real big front-facing feature or anything that is to note of. So basically that new version is not going to be much different from anything else that you've used if you are a user of Microsoft Edge. Once again, the biggest thing about this new version of 1.05 is, and I talked about it in a separate video because of its importance, the fact that it fixes the security flaws that were discovered in Chromium, and that includes the critical flaw that's easy to exploit. So for that reason, you should, of course, check out this new version of 1.05 for Microsoft Edge. To do so, you simply go to the upper right corner, the three dots, go down to Help and Feedback, and then go to About Microsoft Edge. This will update your version to 1.05. Whoops, I'm in the wrong browser here. I'm on the dev one. So here's the real one, the one for everybody. So there. Go to Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You'll be at 1.05.0.1343.25. So once again, nothing much in front-facing features. Policy changes like Microsoft Editor Proofing enabled, Microsoft Editor Synonyms enabled. There's a new print PDF as an image and stuff like that. Internet Explorer integration, always wait for unload. So there's these new policies. There's a deprecated policy which is exempt domain file type pairs from file type download warnings. So things like that. Nothing much for the average user except, like I said, the very important security updates. I think that's the focus we should have this month in Microsoft Edge. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.